We are an insurance company. We partner with more than 200 partners and ecosystems across all the markets. What we are doing is embedded insurance. We have here a robo-barista, and we try to put the experience of having an embedded product into any path with any digital asset. So you can scan the code, put your name, and then during the process, contextually, without friction, we protect the experience with a concept that we have to still protect. So if something happens with your coffee, then you have a new one right away.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Visa booth. You're now at this section that showcases Visa's cross-border solutions. This is a really cool board. It showcases the most popular currencies that Singaporeans use when they travel overseas. It's real time. So we work very closely with digital wallets to make sure that you have the ability to not just transfer money via a bank, but also via Visa credentials to a digital wallet. We want to be able to showcase not just Visa capabilities, but what we can do together with partners to develop innovative products so that the Visa card is the best way to pay and be paid.
So the game earlier is symbolic of one's journey towards financial freedom. As the player walks along the road, you will start to gain coins that are 20,000 each, and as well as a Singlife burst, which is a multiplier effect on your savings. On the road to financial freedom, you will meet obstacles which come in the form of the lava. And so here you can see some of the data that we have put together, and we hope that with all these statistics that you have, that you will think about your own road to financial freedom as well.
On the first stop, we have UOB Tomorrow, an app that will help you bank smarter so that you don't have to pay any more late fees again for your credit card. Come on, let's check out the next one. And our next booth is all about generative AI. It's meant to then help our agent to serve our customer better by using the artificial intelligence technology.
Hello, welcome to SAXO booth in Singapore Fintech Festival 2023. We have two big segments of our business. Usually people know us as a retail digital broker, where we enable every single ordinary investor on the street to trade on digital platforms with multi-asset access as a professional portfolio managers do. On the other hand, we're also here to showcase our financial institutional solutions, where we also empower other financial institutions like banks, brokers, wealth managers, and hedge funds to use our platform to better serve their clients.
Hello everyone. This year we're featuring how AI and generative AI will transform the future of travel, future of mobility, as well as the future of retail.
Hi everyone, my name is Dusin. So today here we are showing the future of travel with generative AI and also tokenization technologies, how we can actually enable consumers to plan their itineraries and also make bookings all in the same interface itself.
Why not try a hot air balloon experience above the rice paddy fields of Ubib in Bali?
In the future, your card could be a central hub for different types of payments. You could send money to your friends overseas. You could use it to pay for your fuel, for your gantry, for anything else that you could actually see where you can have the hands-free experience in terms of driving and making payments at the same time. So I can actually use generative AI to ask the car, hey, maybe you could find me a faster route. Maybe add a stop for my favorite coffee, and also a parking spot because maybe I forgot to charge.
Alternative route will stop for coffee.